Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the oxygen. Actually I have explained the composition of air, but these are the things which are very important, so I would like to discuss these again. First one is the oxygen. Actually when we are breathed in, we are taking fresh oxygen from the environment. When we are breathing out, we are releasing carbon dioxide. In the similar way, plants or the green trees, they are absorbing carbon dioxide from the environment and releasing oxygen. So that oxygen we are taking. So it's a continuous process and we both are interdependent, animals as well as plants. If we talk about the aquatic animals, so they are breathing inside the water by using their by using the oxygen present dissolved in water. Here they are talking about one experiment that soil contains air. What actually we have to do in this experiment, we are going to take one beaker filled with water and add soil. Okay, so what we will see, the bubbles of air coming out from the soil, that is shown here in this picture. See, so I have explained you in the previous video also, these bubbles are showing the presence of air. So it is proven that soil contains air. One more thing, water contains dissolved air that is utilized by the organisms who are living inside the water. See, they are asking about one experiment. Take some water in a beaker and heat it. That we have discussed now, कि we have to boil it and the bubbles are coming upside. So that proves the bubbles, those who are seen by boiling the water, are showing the presence of air inside the water. The next topic is carbon dioxide. That is also a component of air. See, green plants use carbon dioxide, we have discussed it earlier also, and they make their own food in the form of sugar or starch. This process is called photosynthesis. So during photosynthesis, oxygen, which is vital for all living beings, is given out. So the oxygen produced during photosynthesis, that is more than the required by the plants for respiration. As a greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide also known as a greenhouse gas. So being a greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide helps in greenhouse effect by earth remains moderately warm as carbon dioxide absorbs heat radiations from the sun. Yes, it is very important and helps to sustain favorable conditions for life on the earth. But excessive release of greenhouse gases due to various human activity is making the earth hotter, which is a warning for all of us. But during lockdown, as we are using less vehicles, so the environment is pollution free, and you can hear or see the news that from the Sitamarhi, the Himalayas or the glaciers are seen from the hilly areas. It is very clear visible. So these are all depends on us, how we are saving our earth. Okay, for this video, 3 things we have done, and we will discuss some more things in the next video. Thank you.